Ford Raptor, beautifully wrapped in red with black accents. I'll let you guys hear what it sounds like before. This is idle. Can't even hear it. Yeah, it's way too quiet, man. Doesn't even sound like a Ford Raptor.
Right?
Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 92. Again. All right. So we're gonna cut that muffler off and put a Borla ProXS in its place. Stay tuned. So as you guys can see, this Ford Raptor on the bottom, it's got a catalytic converter there, and it's true dual all the way back. It's got a giant resonator on it right there. It's dual in, dual out. And then it's got a giant muffler. Two pipes continue into a giant muffler, and then over the rear end and out the back on each side. And it's all full 3-inch system right there in black tips. So we're gonna take it out and install this Borla ProXS right here. Why'd it have to be upside down? Install this beautiful Borla ProXS right there. See it? It's got a built-in X pipe in there too. So it'll help with the sound a little bit more. Stay tuned. So we're gonna install this one, guys, on it. Borla ProXS, part number 400286. Dual in, dual out. Without notch. Muffler. Borla ProXS. Made in good old Johnson City, Tennessee. Made in beautiful America. Beautiful Tennessee. All right, stay tuned. So the sexy Raptor, we just finished it. There it is. Let me show you what we've done on it, guys. So the converters, you know, they stay where they're at. Right there. Right there. Then they cross over inside, and in this, we kept the stock resonator on it because you didn't want too much drone. So we said, we got you, just leave the resonator on it. If it's not loud enough, he can always come back. We can cut it off and put an X pipe in its place. 3-inch continues. One Borla ProXS. Borla, if you're watching, check it out. It's clean. We love your products, guys. Part number 400286. It's a dual in, dual out. Borla ProXS muffler. There'll be a link in the description for it. And then the true dual continues out the back on each side, 3-inch. And it's finished off into some 4-inch rolled stock tips that come on these Raptors. Right there, right there. Came out really clean, really nice. And there's the huge, he calls it a casket of a muffler because that sucker's huge. Look at this thing. So we cut it off and replaced it. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, make sure you like, comment, and hit that subscribe. Now it's got a little bit of a tone to it. Do you have a cold air intake on it? Get that next. When you do that, it'll open it up. You see how it's choking? You can hear it choking. Here's idle. Let it idle. This is idle for you guys. You can barely hear it. That's the nice thing about Borla. You barely hear it at idle. Here's sound decibels idle. Very quiet. 70, 71. All right, give it gas. Now it's got a little bit of a tone finally. Here's sound decibels now. Go ahead. The rev limiter, man, 94. So it's still not crazy loud because of the turbos and the resonator. Do you want to take the resonator off? Or you want to test it for a week? I say test it. Let them test it for a week. We always recommend you test it for a week before taking the resonators off, guys. And we can replace that resonator with an X pipe and it'll still keep it clean, but it'll get it louder, you know? Dark red, maroon. It's got the EcoBoost V6. But built for Ford Raptors. It's a lot faster. If you guys don't know, this is our beautiful shop in Nashville, Tennessee, 3560 Dickerson Pike. Give us a call if if you guys ever need anything. Let you guys hear on the inside. That sounds good. That is clean. I like it. I don't think you should take the resonator off. I think it's clean. What do you guys think? Does it need to be louder? Let me know in the comments.